Don't look at me with those eyes.
What eyes?
How does it feel to be voted the most hated man in America right now? In a country full of Neanderthals, I wear the fucking badge of honor.
What about the rumors that you're mentally imbalanced?
Who the fuck said that?
I just let somebody, damn. I just hit somebody, man, bitch left her, damn. I just hit somebody, like, damn.
So, you want to play the game again?
Yes.
Okay.
I have $3.74. Do something to me. I love you. I want to take you away from all of this.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart. Your total will be, $5,090.56. Do you want a receipt?
No, but can I kiss the employee?
No!
What the hell is going on over here, Joker Persona 5 Tactica?
Oh, sorry, boss. I just sneezed. Ha ha.
I'm still waiting.
Shut the fuck up, you zest fest.
You're fired.
Do you want to be my girlfriend? Do you want to be my... Okay, you know what? I got this. Hey, listen, do you want to be my big, sweaty, guardian alpha boyfriend? What? Who said that? No witnesses. Oh, God, that was embarrassing. Ooh.
All right, let's just say our favorite color at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Periwinkle purple.
Periwinkle purple. Wait, no way. You're saying we have the same...
Put your headphones to the side. We got the same headset.
Oh, my God, we gotta fuck. Oh, no, we got... Oh, wait, no, no, wait, let me...
I didn't know you had that kind of speed. How'd you do it?
I don't know, I just... How'd I do it? I'm fast and you're slow. That's how I did it.
Hi, Safi. Do you miss me?
Yes, I miss you.
Hey, Safi, do you miss me too?
Bitch.
Can I try rizzing you up?
Sure.
Okay, here goes.
Please, 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 please. There goes my baby.
Closet right now, but
Homosexual?
at some point. Huh?
Are you homosexual?
A what?
A homosexual.
What's that?
What gender are you? Male? Attracted to... You prankster! You silly!
Jinxie, can you count down for me? I'm almost finished. Bro, are you? Bro, I'm not helping you nut! Get off of the channel!
Oh yeah, call me a good boy. Call me a good boy. I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy.
I can't believe you were shot with...
I got shot in my bulletproof vest, baby girl. It's just a couple bruises. I'm okay.
Why don't they make better vests? That's not bulletproof. It's like when you fall in the pool and your watch stops working. That's water resistant, not waterproof. They should
I'm just
call it
fine.
bullet
See?
resistant.
It's just a couple bruises.
How long do you have to...
Comment, like, and subscribe.